Today I'll be showing you guys how I do my waistbands for my shorts. Right now I'm working on this pair that's a 1 of 1. So I'll show you guys how I do that. What I do is I measure 2.5 inches due to the fact that I have a 1.5 inch waistband. Elastic, I have a 1.5 inch elastic, and then I just do 2.5. So I do this all the way around, and then I pin it. I pin it down at 2.5 inches. So I do this all the way around. Okay, once you pin it all around the thing, once you pin it all around the shorts, it should look like this, front and back. My bad, you want to sew at a 1/8 seam allowance all the way around, but you want to leave like a 2-inch gap opening anywhere you want to, but I always do it in the middle of the shorts. You just want to detach this from the sewing machine, and then you want to feed the shorts through. I make sure everything is even, but you want to feed it under. So basically the bottom goes here, and then the top goes on top. I always do it way far back. So I have this piece of tape right here. So this is pretty much a measurement that I made up for my waistband. So yeah, that's right there to help me stay on track or stay even. You know, start off with your front stitch and then do your back stitch. But you want to make sure the fabric is as even as possible all the way around. Then you want to do a back stitch, and then let me show you guys. So this is that gap that I was telling you guys to leave so you can feed the elastic through. It doesn't have to be very big, but that's how it looks. So what you want to do is you want to measure your waist, basically the waistband part of the short, and then that's 19.5. So you want to times that by 2. So 19 times 2 is 36. So for the elastic, I have this 1.5 inch elastic. You can get this off, I get mine off Amazon. So yeah. So 38 inches, no, 36. So you want to do 36 inches. But for this one, I'm gonna do 32 to make the elastic actually do its job. So I'm gonna do 30. I should do 33. So take off 3 inches. So 33 inches. That's your waistband. And then as far as feeding it through the shorts, you just want to, sorry about the wobbly table, guys. So sorry. And a squeaking table. So as far as feeding it through, you just want to get a safety pin, and then you want to push it through, and then, you know, it should look like this. But as far as the shorts, make sure they're inside out when you're doing the whole waistband part. So the shorts should still be inside out. And you just want to feed the elastic through the shorts all the way around. Okay. Once you get to the end, you should just pull it through. Take the safety pin off. And then even out the elastic, you know, pull it through. Make sure the elastic the short looks like this, flat, flush, and the elastic is coming up the back like this. So once it's like this, just get both parts and put them even together. So if it's not even, just cut a little bit off and then bring it to the sewing machine. Okay, now once it's at the sewing machine, you want to place it on there and try to get as close to the edge without getting to the edge as possible. So about 1/8 of an inch. And then clamp it down. Front and back stitch all the way through. Once you do that, it should look like this. Everything should be even. And then for that gap that you left open, just sew that down. Sew it down along the line. So, and you're done. So that's how I do my waistbands. So yeah. If you have any questions or you want to see more videos like this, just follow me or yeah, comment what you want to see next. So I will be doing a full tutorial on how I make the shorts from start to finish. So if you want to see that, subscribe to my YouTube channel because most likely it will be posted on there because it's a long video. So yeah.